I just mixed my Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. I used a mixture of apple cider vinegar, distilled water, and I also added some oil that I got from Design Essential, mainly because of the scalp relief I would receive from it. I did find that with my mask mixture, I prefer to use the apple cider vinegar over the water. I feel like the water makes the mixture a little bit drier, whereas the apple cider vinegar makes it thick and a little more coating and a little more moisturized. So I do like my mixture mainly with apple cider vinegar and oil. Now I really messed up. I did not detangle my hair. I had it in like 2 puffs from when I washed and deep conditioned it. I just left it in the puffs. Now there is a reason why I typically have my hair divided in sections. My hair does not work well left untamed. It gets so tangled, so matted, and it just ravels right into each other. So going forward, I will do this with my hair in sections like I typically do any other time I do a treatment on my hair. This time I was just trying something new, so I had my hair just divided in 2, and it was kind of a disaster. I really struggled with detangling my hair. And this is where not having my hair sectioned is gonna bite me in the ass. I screwed myself. It is so tangled. Ooh. This Indian Healing Clay mask does not have any slip, so it was a struggle, let me tell you. So please thoroughly detangle your hair before you use this mask. It just saves you so much time, energy, and effort, and it makes the process faster and more enjoyable. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I am really impressed with the way this bentonite clay worked on my hair. My curls are defined. There's no product in my hair. So I'm going to give you a quick look at what it looks like. Okay, so this is something that I've been doing for years. I've done it while I was transitioning. I've done it once I was fully natural. Over time, I kind of slowed down on using the bentonite clay. Now I'm going to start doing it more regularly because there are so many great benefits to using bentonite clay for your hair, your skin, all of that. It's a natural ingredient that you can use to get purified hair. This is what I'm going to be using to clarify my hair. Now, as you know, I do shampoo. My favorite are the Korean shampoo that I use and the Functional Beauty shampoo that I use, but I also want to start incorporating this clarifying treatment that I'm going to do once a month. So it's been over a year since I've used bentonite clay, and I can definitely see and feel the difference, and I know that over time my hair is going to just flourish even more by incorporating this into my monthly routine. I do have a video of when I used it while I was transitioning, and you can really see the difference with the density of my hair as I was transitioning and then the density of my hair now. When you're transitioning and when you're natural, like I said in my first series video where I show you the styles that I did once I became fully natural, your hair is going to continue to change throughout the years, whether it be your texture or your density. So just try to embrace every stage and every moment. Try not to let it overwhelm you and make you frustrated. Becoming natural isn't an easy process when you've been relaxed the majority of your life. This texture is a learning process, and there are definitely learning curves to doing your hair. And if you do follow the hair type system, try to use it as a reference, but don't get caught up in hair typing. Pay more attention to your porosity. I am personally low porosity. Use products that work well for your porosity and use techniques that work well for your porosity. And then outside of that, find what works well for you, because you can find people who are similar to you in porosity, but they may not be similar to you in hair texture, or they're similar to you in hair texture, but they're not similar to you in hair density. It's hard to find the perfect person to follow to get all of your advice from, so my recommendation is take a little bit from everyone. Someone who's low porosity but has a slightly different texture or density but gives you really good sound advice, I would recommend following. Someone who has a similar density to you but different porosity or strand size, you may get really good advice from them as well. Like, there's so many different configurations that come into figuring out how to do your hair the best way possible for you. My recommendation is to just watch everyone, figure out what they're doing, what works well for them, modify it for yourself. Like, my hair personally prefers a lightweight product, so you'll see that I'm always modifying my products to work well for my hair. Everyone has tips and tricks. You just have to take what you can use and not apply the things that you can't use. So there's really a learning process that you're going to go through. I just recommend not getting frustrated. Just go with the flow. Learn as you go. You're gonna get better. Your hair is gonna thrive. The more you do what it wants, your hair is just gonna look better and better. And over time, you're really gonna get into the groove of things, get into your routine, and everything is just gonna work out for you. So please don't get frustrated with the process. Keep going. It will get better. Okay? Even in my moments of frustration and my moments of struggling, I understand that they're moments. They're not the big picture. If you see me struggling with my hair, just recognize that I'm struggling for the moment, but I in no way, shape, or form hate my hair. I love my natural hair. I wouldn't trade it for anything. All of the struggles and everything about it, I accept. So I hope you can find the same acceptance for your hair. If you haven't tried this bentonite clay, give it a try. It's awesome. I hope you found this video to be helpful. I hope you learned something new. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me because I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!